Hi everyone. In the last session, I have faced a bug regarding the styling or placing of the side panel videos. Okay, so I have just fixed that issue by placing the max height and max width, and I just got the side panel container and its client height, and I divided by it by 3. Okay, and then my side panel videos are placed as per the expectation. Okay, so you can see now these are things are okay. So now we are continue moving with the player customization and binding the events and all the stuff. Okay, so I'm going to change a bit logic. Okay, logic is that what we can do, we just display all the videos on side panel. Okay, so here we display all the videos, and at the location 0 video we just display the thumbnails of the video. Okay, thumbnail means the image of a video will be displayed on these containers, and we have a play and pause button. So once someone will click on that button, at that time we will load the video in the main player. Okay, so logic is that, so we are going to change that. Okay, so for that, what we can do, we just need to first remove these. Okay, and then we also need to remove this. Okay, and I think so we can also remove this submit logic. Okay, and we just place, so we must replace all the videos on the side panel. And now we need a access token, so we can get that access token from here. Okay, so my API apps learn with NAKE. Okay, and we can generate a token. I think we can delete first already created tokens, that one, and then I'm just going to authenticate you private video files, generate, and then just need to copy that token, and we are going to creating a way to fetch request. Okay, so fetch request, and we are configuring that fetch. So we say here method will be get headers. Okay, headers, we say headers. It is not a good logic. It is not a good programming practice that we can display the third-party tokens on a client side. But for the demo purposes, I'm just going to mention these here. If you are interested to hide your third-party tokens, then you just only need to create an API endpoint on your server. So I think we can do also that here. So we just say API, sorry, app dot get. Okay, and we say album. Okay, and we just pass the ID of that album, and we say async and request response. Okay, and here we also need to create a helper. Okay, so we call Vimeo API helper, Vimeo helper.js. Okay, so that will be more better const get album. Okay, and we say we pass the album ID, and then we just need to build the album URI. Okay, and then I think we also need to pass the HTTPS API Vimeo and /v.com/v2. Let's get that endpoint from the Vimeo API docs. Okay, so we say here developer Vimeo, click on API, and we just find the API references. I think we can Okay, so we have here albums. Okay, so we just need to copy this endpoint. Okay, Control C and just paste it here. So we need to remove this users and user ID parameter because we are passing the access token. Okay, and we say albums and we just pass the album ID, and we also need to import the Axios. Let me check that we have already inside the packages. So we have already that one. Okay, and we launched and we plus data and we say wait Axios and we bind. We say the URL will be the album URI. We say method, we get, okay, and we say it the headers, okay, and we set the authorization, okay, and we just need to say a better, okay, and we just need to pass process.env dot vimeo token, okay, and we need to create a .env file, and we create a variable with the same name, okay, and we just need to get the token from here, and we just need to paste that here, save it, okay. Now we are not going to export the token on our client side, so we just say then, okay, response, return response, and we say dot cage, and we say error, and we just return the error, okay, and we return the data, okay, I think, and then we just need to export this module, say get album, and inside the index we need to import that, so we say const prior, and we say Vimeo helper, and we just need to get album, okay, and we say here let album wait get album, okay, and we say request dot parents dot id, and we return response dot json, and we say album, okay. In that way we just only need to bind our endpoint here, so we say here http for right now we have a local host, so we must say the local host for 4000, and we say album, and we just need to pass the album id, so we paste it. Now we must navigate to the Vimeo, and let's see that we have album on a Vimeo, or we need to create that. So I think we need to create that. Either we just need to first fetch we just need to click on postman, and then we navigate to API, and we just filter fetch all the albums. So we need to Control C, and we paste that here. C, we save just request. So we do not have any album right now. So we need to create that album. Okay, so from my videos, need new folder. We call plan.net, create. And then we move to the videos, and then need to move these to here. Okay. Now let's request. Still, I think we just need to create album Vimeo. Okay, so it is maybe it is a paid feature, I think. And we save it. Now just need to add the videos. Add video. Click these two videos. Okay, edit. It. Now just resend the request. Okay, now we have album. Okay, so we just need to copy the album ID. So here is our album ID, and we just need to pass that here. Okay, and I think so we do not have any authorization because we have already done that on our server. So we say then response. We just say the response .json and page, and we say error. Say the console or log, and we say error while fetching the videos. Save it. Okay, and now inside here we must use again. Say videos. Now we can say album. Okay, and we just need to move this far from here to here, and let's now test the things. Okay, so I think we just say here API videos. We must be neat to call wait thing, and we must album.videos. Okay, so we can see the payload. Okay, so data, inside the data we have videos. Okay, inside the data, this is one data album. Oh, we also need album and videos. Okay, so we also need to pass album album ID and then videos. Okay, so like this. Okay, so album ID and videos. Okay, so in this way we will get the videos. So we just need to get the data. So we just say here data dot for each, and we need to either we can also say the map. Okay, so we say video and then I think for each is better, and we say API videos not push, and we point. We need to create a thumbnail. Okay, we get the thumbnail and we say video. Okay, so we element to video and video. Okay, and for the thumbnail, so you can see here we have a multiple thumbnails. Okay, inside the sizes, so you can see inside the embed. No, not in embeds. Oh, embeds. Okay, so inside the embeds we have a pictures. If I can collapse these pages, buttons, logos, title, we have directly that. Okay, so we need to collapse this, collapse also this. So we have directly inside the video we have a pictures. So we can see here video dot pictures. We can get the last picture. Okay, so we say video dot pictures dot length -1. So it is a highest resolution picture. Okay, so you can see that here different sizes, and different sizes we have a highest size at last. Okay, so we just need this link. Okay, so we copy dot link. Before that we also need pictures dot sizes. We just pass the size here, sizes, you can see here. So we have a sizes, so we have pictures object. Inside the picture we have a sizes object. Inside the sizes object we have a we need last picture, last thumbnail. So we say the pictures dot sizes. Okay, and we need the link. So we just verify for any type of mistake. Sizes, we just need to format. Okay, and then we just first we run this, and let's check all the things are working fine until now. Okay, so let's open the Chrome. We say localhost 4000, and we hit request inspect, and inside the sources we have index. We can manually place a we have here, so we just resend the request. Okay, you can see we have album. Okay, and inside the album we So you can see, okay, we have an album. We just need to place the videos. So we have missed that. Okay, so here. So that's why I needed to test the things first. So command C, let's npm start. Okay, and now hit the request again. Also, we need to place a breakpoint on catch if there's something going wrong. Okay, so we have album inside the data. We have two videos. Okay, so in this session, we have successfully got the album videos from the client side. This session is going a bit long, so that's why I'm ending this session for now, and we will come back with the next session. Okay, so if you have any query regarding this session, then just ping me on either on a video comment section, either on my shared contact details like email or WhatsApp. Okay, bye bye.